Square by Barnfield and myself. Weight on your right foot. Ready to start with your left. Cross it over. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Step, sway. Behind side cross. Rock or shuffle. 3 quarters. Anchor. Take it back, behind side cross, wall 1 is short, jazz box turn to restart, 1, 2, 3, step right, sway, behind side cross, rock, go to the first, and your anchor step, take it back, behind side cross, rock, quarter turn, jazz box to the back, cross back together, and cross step scissor, and 1. By the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. I swear, like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. And step the scissor. Forever the words you're left in this heart. I love you every beat in my heart, I swear. For number 5, sure. I'll give you everything I can. I'll build your dreams with these 2 hands. Real things you can't read on. Just we'll turn. Restart with a ring. 1, 2, 3. Set a word in your hand. Won't have to ask if I stay. 'Cause as time turns to page, my love won't age at all. I swear, by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. I swear, like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. For better words, feel death in this heart. I love you every beat in my heart, I swear. Short roll in your elbow step. Sway, high cross, rock, cross, shuffle, 3/4 turn, anchor step, ice and 1, rock or cover, sailor step, behind side cross, as we go. I'll be there, I swear, back and back, cross, rock, rock, go to the side, to the top, I'll be there, rock, back, step, and over. Words till death do us part. I love you every beat in my heart, I swear. I swear. Cross and step over seasons. Beautiful, nice. 2 restarts, alright? So, weights on your right foot, starting this one. I Swear is led by Barnfield and myself. We're crossing it over on 1, rock on 2, recover 3, sailor half cross, sway and recover, behind side cross, rock, recover, cross, cha-cha-cha, 3/4 turn, anchor step, back sweep, behind side cross, rock and behind, quarter turn, jazz box, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Alright, try one more time with your count. Left foot lead and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's face the back wall. Now, end of walls 1 and 5 is our restart, the first two. Put the weight onto your left foot. We do a jazz box quarter turn. So right foot leading and cross, turn, stop there. We simply cross over to start again. 1, rock, and a sailor, right, left, right. Alright, so face the back, try one more time. Weights on your left foot, jazz box turn to restart, and cross, turn, step, side, start, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, our third restart, that's walls 1 and 5. The third one, let's try to here, the anchor step is your restart. So left foot anchor, 8 and 1, rock for 2, recover, sailor, half turn. So face the front, let's go from the beginning, wall number 9, anchor step to restart, 7, 8, cross 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, rock and shuffle, 3, 4, turn, anchor, left, right, left and rock, 2, 3, sailor, half turn, and we keep going.